North Island, New Zealand. First stop, Auckland. With just 24 hours here, the first item on my agenda was Mount Eden volcanic crater. It sort of gave me my bearings with its panoramic view of the city skyline. After, I hopped aboard a short ferry ride to Waiheke Island to taste their well-known Pacific oysters, hop between breweries and wineries, and walk on the soft, white sand at Onatagi Beach. Second stop, Raglan. We paid a visit to Jan, a passionate conservationist and farmer of goats, alpaca, honeybees, sheep, and eel. She spoke to us about the delicate ecosystem and how it's up to our generation to sustain and preserve the environment for future generations to come. In Raglan, we went off the grid. Uncle B opened up his houseboat to us, and then we hopped aboard tandem kayaks to cruise around the harbor.
We are kayaking! Congratulations. Well, I'm not doing any kayaking yet.
On the tandem kayaks, we wove in and out of pristine pancake rock formations made of age-old limestone. We even stopped at a secluded beach and walked on the softest coastline of black sand. Third stop, Rotorua. Here, we smelled the sulfurous gases and witnessed geothermal activity, which the locals take advantage of, using it as nature's slow cooker or even as a constant, comfortably lukewarm bath. Shallow, a local Maori, also showed us around his historic village, which the Duke and Duchess of Sussex visited during the royal tour.
Kahu, mata, mo, moi. Te rotorua nui a kahu mata mumu.
While I didn't get a chance to go whitewater rafting, I did hike Mount Tarawera, which is a lava dome with a nearby crater lake created by an active volcano that last erupted in 1886. It was a tough and exhilarating hike, but the views were so worth it. Fourth stop, Lake Taupo. We spent a night here at the beautiful and serene lake before heading to our final stop in Wellington. Wellington isn't a huge city, but I liked how walkable everything was. And I simply liked exploring their many craft cocktail bars, as well as the free Te Papa Tengawera Museum. And just like that, a week in North Island, New Zealand came and went. Till next time, Kia ora, New Zealand.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to follow along.